Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. Okay, so here's what I was looking at in my last video. We had this falling wedge pattern going down like this. I was waiting for a breakout to the upside or to the downside. I was saying if we break up, that'll be a good signal, but if we break down, then I'll be looking at this support line that we had going right here. We had support, 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 gave me this trend line going up like this. I was saying if we could get a bounce on this trend line right there, then this will be a good signal. And I was also saying if we could break this trend line going down right there, that'll also be a good signal. We actually did both. We came down, bounced on that, then broke through this trend line right here. So what I'm looking at are the previous resistance levels for targets. We had resistance right here and resistance right here. These levels are sitting around 0.161. I think if we could break above this level, then the next stop that I'll be looking at is this top down up here, sitting at around 1.168 approximately. The other thing is we have resistance, a little resistance zone right here, and then this top right here. So let's go ahead and do a trend line, something like this. I think this is the top that we're looking to break. It's possible that we come up to this level and get rejected and have to come back down and test this support level again. But I think if we do break this trend line going to the upside, then we can start looking at the next previous resistances. One right here, one right here, and one right here. I'm thinking around 0.195, 0.194 approximately, somewhere around there. Let's go ahead and set up a horizontal line, maybe something like this. I'm really watching this little area right here because there was a lot of resistance right there. You could also argue there is some wicks. If we drag it up, maybe something like this. We wicked all the way to the top right here. So this is another kind of top that I'd be kind of looking at. One is sitting at around 0.215 and the other one is sitting around 0.194. Like I said though, I think first things first, we're dealing with this falling wedge pattern. We have this first little resistance right here and then this ultimate target up here at around 195. This resistance is sitting around 0.161. Let's see if we could break through this level right here and then come up and hit 0.168, 169 approximately. If we go over the 4-hour time frame, this does look pretty good. We're getting some nice green candles. And then if we look at the volume right here, we got this little falling wedge pattern. We got a fake out to the downside, and then now we're breaking out and we're getting some nice, pretty good green candles. I'm curious how far this momentum is going to take us going to the upside. Let's see if we can come up and hit this target. First things first is this resistance right here. If we break through this, then we can get more confident on this target up here sitting around 0.169. After that, then we can start looking at maybe 0.194 if we could break through here. If you like crypto, you should join my Discord so we could chat about it on there. If you're new to trading, check out this video right here. It's a video about buying and selling. I go over some of the strategies I used in this video. Alright, if you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.